Benz with them windows lit. Who them girls you be with when you be riding?
Burn it.
Are you Snapchatting?
Yeah.
No, I'm not that lame.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. We're good. No, that works.
What are you saying? Val was.
Oh, must have ganked that joystick out of that one.
Val was Snapchatting. What you say you did lame?
Oh, no, I don't fucking Snapchat.
I found one picture of that I was talking about.
Oh, yeah.
There we go, focus it in. Oh, yeah.
So the lips are the viewfinder basically for your targeting,
Alright.
and the ship is a tip.
Same.
Awesome.
That's the only picture I can find with that on it.
It's got the tit scanner.
Exactly.
I have to get that.
Yeah, I found that along with a copy of Stroker.
Alright.
They were together.
Hey, man. Alright, let's go
Let me
upstairs.
show
And,
my my button.
Level 6.
let's go upstairs and show the Commodores that don't have software on it.
No, we didn't beat it.
I do got the disc up there, though. I just gotta load them up and get more joysticks. Yeah. I only have 50 people here.
Damn it. Aw. Strong hand, where you going?
I'll sit. Here's all the stuff that is just kind of sitting idle. We did mess with the Atari a little bit. Got these fired up. I got everything on disk. I just gotta load them up. So these are this dude over here. Is it turned on? Endless Chaos, BBS, Anarchy. Look like some shit fell off the top of my monitor. And then busted out the old dusty PlayStation. Jam it out on there. That's how we roll up in the Anarchy Underground, guys. Stuff's getting ready to be fired up here.
That wasn't my food.
I couldn't even shit. My shit button wasn't working.
Shit.
Now you're out.
What happened to me?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Shit.
Like, second minute. Kill me. Hit your power button. No, don't kill me. I gotta get to that. I gotta use my key there. There's the exit right there. Down. Get to the exit. Yes.